Good morning. Thank you for giving us your valuable time today. Today, we'll be discussing our AI powered application, which is designed to help you transform your educational institutions through our AI powered digital school transformation platform. This single platform will open up unlimited possibilities for you, making your school ready for the future. It offers smart learning, better engagement, increased admissions, and stronger branding for your school. What we provide are AI powered features along with digital classrooms, assignments, and test services. Everything will be available on a single platform. Apart from that, AI skill mapping and AI skill testing will also be included in this portal. We also provide CBSE, SSC, ICSE content or content for any other state board. All content can be customized and created as per your curriculum and requirements. Our platform includes an AI content creation tool as part of digital pedagogy. Along with that, whether it is Olympiads, GE, or any scholarship, all scholarships, test assignments, surveys, and feedback, everything can be managed through this application. By default, your school will get a website, a mobile app, and it will work offline as well. Apart from that, you can offer your multilingual futuristic skill courses like French, Spanish, German. All these courses can be provided. And there are many benefits for schools. For example, it will help increase admissions, improve parent engagement, enhance learning outcomes, and build a strong brand image. And many other things can be achieved through this application. So, all these features are available. What we offer is a free pilot of our application as well, so you can try it out without spending extra time on our app. Like these features, I'll quickly show you the application, how it works, and how it can transform your educational institution. So, what we'll do is, we'll create a free demo account for your institution, and you will have complete access to all the features and everything. So, once your account is created, it will look like this. So, to access this, you will have to log in to your portal, and once you're logged in, so primarily there are three types of user accounts: administrator, instructor, and learner. Learners are basically your students, and everything is customizable. We do complete white labeling, so our name will not appear anywhere. So, by default, as soon as learners log into their dashboard, they will be able to see this dashboard. Skills. So, the best part of this application is that you'll be able to map and test all the skills of your students. By default, a skill passport gets created. Job Path Finder. So, if any student is aspiring to become a data engineer, or if he wants to become a doctor or a lawyer, then in order to get his or her dream job, whatever skills that individual needs to acquire, this application will assist them with that by simply highlighting or creating paths for them. It will assign certain courses which can also be customized by your institution. Apart from that, a calendar is integrated, so all your offline classes, online classes, everything will be part of this portal's catalog. So, whatever courses are assigned to them, all those courses, they'll be able to see everything here. Courses can be listed according to categories, like which category they fall under, which class, department, or batch they belong to. So, all these things will be available here. Apart from that, gamification is also a part of this portal, so they can compete with their fellow students. And if they are part of multiple branches, departments, batches, or groups, that will also be listed here. Then this is also good for parents as they can participate in any discussion. They cannot start a discussion, but they can take part in any school discussions or any reforms that the school wants to implement. They can discuss these matters with parents, and parents can communicate with their respective teachers or whoever's responsible for their children's academic performance. They can communicate directly from this portal itself, so you'll find everything on this platform. The remaining part is that everything is AI enabled, so by default, the child's profile can be integrated with your existing ERP as well. A lot of custom fields can be created and added. My badges will create badges for them, just like the badges they earn in any game application. My progress shows the number of courses they have completed or that are assigned to them, and learning activities will include their tests, surveys, and assignments. All their certificates, whatever they earn, will be available here for them to view. Alright, so this is quite simple. This is as easy as using WhatsApp or Facebook. And by default, they'll get a mobile app which works on tablets and all kinds of devices, and it also works offline. So if they are assigned to a specific group, it will also be shown to them on this platform. As far as teachers are concerned, this will truly empower all of them. So this will help them save a tremendous amount of time and energy. They can create skills, they can create online and offline classes. Grading up is available, so all the instructor-led trainings and everything can be managed on this platform. They can create specific learning paths. They can create courses. I'll just quickly create one course to show you how it works. So let's say a CBSE course. Let's learn gravity. So we are using this TalentCraft tool. This AI tool allows us to create any content or any course of our choice in no time. So if you have existing material, PPTs or videos, you can simply import them, or else you will have the option to record your video. You can record an audio as well. Everything will be there, so I'll just create the base. Understanding how gravity works and all that. So we just need to make sure everything is as per the syllabus or the guidelines of the state governments. Or if your school is affiliated with CBSE or any other board, then whatever content you are offering to your students, it has to be compatible or aligned with the syllabus or curriculum which is authorized by a specific government body. You can rename this like, say, Gravity 1. Then you can create multiple sections here. So multiple sections will allow you to, map all the content whichever way you want. You can create multiple sections and you can drag them up and down. Okay, so apart from that, you'll be able to add videos, YouTube videos, upload a video, record a video, or record your screen. You can record your screen as well. You can simply go to YouTube and let's say search for gravity. Let us assume this gravity chapter is appropriate for your students. So as you can see, this now becomes an essential part of your students' study material and resources. So as a subject matter expert, the teacher will know what is right or wrong for the students because you all are subject matter experts. Okay, so this video got added in no time. Okay, now similarly, you can add videos, presentations, documents, and multiple other things using this platform. So you can create content from scratch. The best part is we'll provide you with all the ready-made content available with us. Everything is ready chapter-wise, including tests and all. We are going to offer you that. We'll also show you in this demo call how that works. Let's say you want AI to generate 10 questions on this topic or chapter. AI will generate these questions for you. So the questions can be used for evaluation or practice. This way, you can give multiple practice tests to all your students. This will make their life easier. So, tests, surveys, assignments. Assignments are good. So, they can respond to this assignment by uploading a file, recording a video, recording an audio, or even simply recording the screen, and they'll be able to submit their assignments. So, there are many other features as well which are part of this tool. Apart from that, instructor-led training is also included. This covers online sessions as well as in-person classroom sessions. So whoever is the teacher, all your classes can be mapped with their training locations, and all these things can be managed. Or if you are conducting any online sessions during summer vacation, or maybe you've identified a certain group of students, they need more training for certain specific scholarship exams, and they are going to represent your school internationally or even within the country. At the national level as well. So, if you want to provide them with more information or greater access to content or relevant material, then this tool can be used to conduct sessions even on holidays and weekends. And again, recorded sessions can be added for your students, so even teachers do not have to be present all the time. So, apart from that, we have a very cool feature, AI codes. So, students will have access to AI Coach 24/7. So, if you give them, let's say, a CBSE book, even if it is just a PDF file of the entire book, and you want AI to explain a specific chapter or summarize it or give them practice questions, AI can do all that for them. Apart from that, you will also be able to close and translate any content into local languages as well. Hindi is available. So the same content can be created in local languages too, in case you want to give them access in a specific local language. Or international languages like German and French are also available. All international languages are available as well. So what we have done is we have created this course, CBSE. In the gravity, you can say, in no time we have created this course. Now I will show you how it will work for your students. Let's go to administrator mode. So the automations, notifications and reporting part is very cool. You get all sorts of analytics and custom reports, courses, individual students, their learning paths, their groups, all sorts of extensive reporting. And in your school, how many students have acquired certain skills? So that talent pool also gets created. And you can easily add any specific skill of your own choice here. Absolutely any skill you want, you'll be able to add right here in this section. Currently, it is automatically creating 20 different questions, but you can manually configure it to create 30 questions or even 40 questions as well, depending on your needs. This gives you a lot of flexibility to customize the entire assessment exactly how you like it. I'll do that for you right now, and it can be edited too. You will have control over everything, every aspect of this platform, because you people are subject matter experts. We are just a technology provider, so you will have complete access or control over everything, whatever's happening on this platform. And there are so many other features, gamification, integrations, and I'll just show you how it will work for your students. We've created one account for a student. Let's get into that student's account. So it's CBSE Class 9 student. So this is the Class 9 student's dashboard. Let's see this chapter. So this chapter is for Introduction to Biotechnology, Class 9. This is for SFE. So everything you find, you'll get the same. Everything is mapped according to the syllabus and all that. And what we'll do is we'll make sure that this is taken care of. Once they clear the test, this is how they'll get to see it there. Multiple tests, multiple against, so complete content will be available. Alright, so what we have here is basically the complete and comprehensive content that has been carefully organized as per their specific class and division requirements, making it perfectly ready for use. Okay? So what we have done is we've kept everything very simple. So this will definitely transform your educational institute. Please do give us a call, let us know. We'll arrange a free demo for your institution so you will have complete access to all the features, everything. And what we offer is, we can also provide you with a free pilot for one batch or one division, and we'll be able to do all these things: AILMs, digital learning, AI content, student skill mapping, teacher transformation. We also conduct faculty development programs as well as parent engagement, advanced analytics, and school branding. All of this will be included as part of this portal. Once again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to transforming your esteemed institution. And just to let you know, we are a global company. Our headquarters are in San Francisco, and across the world, many educational institutions are using our application to transform their esteemed institutions. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.